Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Risma Findaolivia from the class of Lexicography C. So in this section, I'd like to answer the question from the midterm of lexicography itself. First of all, is the terminological triangle process based on the terminological diagram. The definition of object or things was formed as a result of this triangle. As we can see, the triangle has 3 points, that is object, concept, and designation. The point object is any kind of things exist in the world that the speaker or listener know about it in their mind when it is mentioned. Concept is the person's mental visions or concept of the object, simply how the brain processes the thing. It called the thought. Based on the diagram, there is the phone as the reference thing, and we think that handphone is the electronical which used to communication tools and any functions of the phone itself. And designation is the term or word, the name of the object in the world. It symbolizes a concept and stands for the object. In the diagram, when we think about a phone, in US, the phone called cell phone. In Indonesia, we call it as telepon genggam. So, the referent or thing cannot be connected to the designation or word of if there is no connection to the reference or thought. So then, the question number 2, the development of English dictionary. So, a dictionary is the list of words in alphabetical order and provides definitions as well as other details such as pronunciations, phonetic spellings, and other formulations. The first dictionaries, such as written by Greeks in the first century, focused on change in the meaning of terms over time. It was a religious book translated from Latin. In 15th century, it changed into bilingual English and Latin. The first purely English dictionary was Robert Cowdery's A Table Alphabetical appeared in 1604, treating some 3,000 words. In 1721, Nathaniel Bailey created the first etymological dictionary which included the pronunciation. Samuel Johnson undertook the most ambitious English dictionary too in 1775, a list of 40,000 words. First pronouncing dictionary was introduced by Thomas Sheridan in 1780. In 1791, John Walker made the Critical Pronouncing Dictionary and expositor of the English language. In the early 19th century, Noah Webster's Dictionary of Americanisms originated from an awareness of the changes and variations in language. The massive Oxford English Dictionary was started in the late 19th century. There are different types of dictionaries available today, with general purposes dictionaries being the most frequent. Now, at the moment, or in this new era, there are digital dictionaries provided words and can be accessed easily, such as thesaurus and encyclopedia. Then for the last question, how does word get into dictionary? So when a word is used by a large number of individuals who all agree that it signifies the same thing, it is added to a dictionary. If we find a new word in which have a great meaning and not get into a dictionary, simply we make an invention or discovery. The first we can do is drop the word into your conversation and writing. Then others pick it up. All people or most people, a number of people pick it up or use that word. The more it is used spreads, the more likely it will be noticed by dictionary editors or lexicographers. So we can put our new word in the web, in some web. I forgot the name. If I'm not mistaken, it is blah 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 webber. There are 3 processes of the word get into dictionary. The first one is sorting a new word. Usually, the lexicographers do it with several steps, including corpus analysis, like we can see in the diagram. Second step is the research process to decide of making a new word get into dictionary. The lexicographers search through other databases that include millions of words in the form of complete articles, books, or speech. They are looking for 3 criteria. For the first one is frequent use, widespread use, and meaningful use. If it's a trendy flash in the pan that comes and goes, it would be not enter it it into the dictionary. If a term appears promising but does not have enough proof to be included this time, the citations will be evaluated for the following editions, at which point the word may have emerged or disappeared. Last is crafting the entry. It is the process when the new word is agreed get in the dictionary. We can see the process from the steps in this diagram. The word is legally the part of the Oxford Dictionary. Oxford Dictionary. So maybe that's all the answer of mine. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.